How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply connect a 2.4 gigahertz wireless controller gamepad onto your television. So the first thing that you want to do is to basically plug the USB dongle of your controller to the back of your television. So you could just plug it on any one or any USB port that you have. And you also have to make sure that your controller is set to the 2.4 gigahertz connection, because most wireless controllers out there has two modes, which is going to be Bluetooth and the 2.4 gigahertz. Now, in order to connect it onto any devices, including television, you just want to press the power button right here normally. And then what will happen is that it will connect it onto our device. So I'm using my computer right here as an example. And then basically right after, our device is basically connected. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.